extraterrestrials arrived here in the distant past, who were they? And why did they come here? Ancient astronaut theorists believe answers exist in early Sumerian texts. In 1849, British archaeologist Austen Henry Layard discovered 22,000 clay tablets in the ancient Sumerian city of Nineveh, in an area now known as Iraq. The tablets contain cuneiform script, believed to be the earliest writing system, created by the Sumerians 6,000 years ago. Author Zecharia Sitchin spent more than 30 years translating the Sumerian clay tablets. In his 1976 book, The 12th Planet, Sitchin claims the cuneiform texts describe an alien race named the Anunnaki, who came to Earth from an undiscovered planet in our solar system, beyond Neptune, called Nibiru.
They explained to the Sumerians that through their own rise to a technological culture, they damaged their atmosphere. And they came here seeking gold and precious elements to repair their planet's dwindling atmosphere.
According to Sitchin, the Anunnaki first visited Earth 450,000 years ago, during the age of Neanderthals. And they created Homo sapiens through genetic engineering to create a species to work and mine precious minerals for them.
Our forefathers believed that they were gods. And they were here on purpose. They wanted to make our primitive generation at that time intelligent. They wanted to plant curiosity into our brain. And we became more developed in technology, in astronomy, in every field. That's what they wanted. The question is, why?
When you look at the ancient creation stories, you find that what they said about our position as Homo sapiens is that we were created to be a slave race or a work race.
According to Sitchin's interpretation of the ancient tablets, the human civilization in Sumer was set up under the guidance of the Anunnaki. And to disguise alien manipulation, human kings were inaugurated to provide intermediaries between mankind and their so-called gods. Then, around 3000 BC, humans began building stone monuments, such as Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids. For mainstream historians, the physical ability and know-how to construct these megalithic sites remains a mystery. But ancient astronaut theorists contend that megaton stone monuments were erected by human laborers, aided with alien technology.
And what do the ancient texts say about ancient Sumeria? That none of this could have been possible without the help of the gods, or in their case, the Anunnaki, which means those who from the heavens came.
Many cultures had a time when they interacted with their living gods. So who were those gods? In my mind, they were misrepresented advanced extraterrestrials, and they brought forth the technology to build the monuments we see, such as Giza, or all across Bolivia, Peru, and South America.
Sitchin's interpretations of the Sumerian tablets further claim the ancient Anunnaki astronauts carried out breeding experiments to improve the species of laborers. But to keep the human population at bay and correct genetic mistakes, the aliens orchestrated so-called natural catastrophes.
The ultimate proof for the ancient astronaut theory will not be in a megalithic site. It won't be finding a crashed spaceship, but it will be found deep within our genes. And that is exactly what the ancient texts are saying, that we were created in the image of the gods.